Do you have any dietary questions? Expert on what foods are the healthiest to consume. They'll almost certainly mention seafood. What about fatty fish like salmon? What is it about fish that makes it so appealing? Popular among workout freaks in today's video, we'll talk about salmon has 13 remarkable health benefits, and why it's important to include it in your. Because salmon is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, it should be part of A. What makes it excellent for you is that it's high in vitamin B. What effect does salmon have on your vision? Have control over your cholesterol levels in your blood. All of these will be discussed, as well as others. More. Number 1 in terms of B vitamin content. Salmon is an excellent provider of vitamins B and A. A 100-gram portion will provide you with more than 100% of your daily need. It also provides you with more than half of your daily vitamin B12. The amount of vitamin B6 you should take on a daily basis. It's also high in other nutrients like niacin, riboflavin, folic acid, and other vitamins and minerals. Thiamine. These vitamins aid in the conversion of. Your body can convert the food you eat into energy. They also aid in the repair of your DNA, as well as lowering the risk of chronic disease. Inflammation, which can lead to a reduction in the possibility of sickness. Have you ever had your vitamin B12 levels checked? Do you make sure you eat items at certain levels? A good source of an essential vitamin. Sharing your ideas with the Healthy Life community below in the comments. Astaxanthin is found in number 2. Astaxanthin has numerous advantages. It's one of the reasons why salmon has become so popular. This particular chemical has a crimson color, can reduce the amount of LDL or cause harm, lowering cholesterol and increasing the quantity of HDL. There are other factors to consider, such as good cholesterol. Astaxanthin has many advantages, one of which is that it lowers cholesterol levels. Inflammation is reduced, and oxidative stress is reduced. It also protects your arteries from stress. Plaque accumulation, which indicates that you have a lower probability of having a heart attack. Astaxanthin also lowers the risk of illness. There's a potential of skin injury, which would be problematic. With each 100, you appear to be a lot younger. You can get up to 4 servings of salmon per gram of salmon. Astaxanthin milligrams. Seeking for solutions in all of the most recent news about health and well-being has swept the nation. Join our millions of subscribers by clicking the subscribe button. Followers are kept up to date on everything. Material from our fantastic Healthy Life. Number 3. Inflammation fighting. One of the main causes is inflammation. Many diseases, including heart disease, are caused by salmon consumption has been linked to cancer and diabetes. On a regular basis can assist in lowering the inflammation danger. Among more than 4,100 people who took part in one study, it was observed among the subjects that eating white blood cell counts can be reduced by eating fish. The number of blood cells in the body. The term white blood cells is used to describe a type of white blood cell. Additional measurement of chronic inflammation. Fish oil has been demonstrated to be beneficial in studies. Supplements can have a big impact on your health. Numerous inflammation-related indicators. Number 4 has a lot of omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon, in particular, is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA. These fatty acids are not EPA and DHA. As a result of your body's creation, you must obtain 100 grams of protein from your diet. You can get roughly 2.3 grams of farmed salmon, while the same amount of fatty acid. You can get 2.2 grams of wild salmon if you eat a certain amount of it. It is suggested that you travel anywhere 250 milligrams to 1,000 milligrams. Eating EPA and DHA in milligrams each day. You can get the nutrients you need by eating 2 servings per day. EPA and DHA are 2 essential fatty acids. They're crucial to your body because they help you lose weight, reduce your cancer risk, and improve your overall health. Using has been demonstrated to lower blood pressure in studies. Supplementing with EPA and DHA boosts the immune system. This was the function of your arteries. Especially useful for those people who smoke a lot, are overweight, and have high blood pressure. Levels of cholesterol. Number 5 is a selenium-rich food. Your body requires trace amounts of selenium. Even modest amounts, however, must be protected. In your eating habits, salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids. For every 100 grams of meat, you'll require selenium. You'll get 75 to 85% of your protein from salmon. The amount of selenium your body requires on a daily basis. Selenium can help you build stronger bones, health, and lower the risk of cancer. Eating salmon has been linked to a lower risk of cancer, according to study. Other meals high in selenium can help. This year's selenium levels in your blood. A nutrient serves a critical role in reproduction, thyroid hormone metabolism, DNA, among other things. Number 6 may be beneficial to the brain's health. Salmon can even help your brain function better. In reality, fatty fish and fish oil are good for your health. Have been demonstrated to alleviate the symptoms of anxiety and sadness. Both have fatty livers. While you're pregnant, eating fish can be beneficial. In one study, the fetal brain was protected. It was seen by almost 1,500 senior citizens that eating one plate of fish every week is sufficient. Wheat can help to lower the rate of cognitive decline. Reduced consumption of fatty fish can help lower cholesterol levels. Your chances of developing dementia and other age-related conditions. Loss of memory. Before we go any farther, here's another thing to consider. Salmon is a really popular fish, and there's a video that you might enjoy. Interested in an excellent source of nutrients? Knowing about alternative natural strategies to bolster? Watch this video to learn more about your immune system. The number 7 may help to lower the danger of illness of the heart. Salmon can help you lose weight. Because of this, there is a higher risk of heart disease. Salmon can help you get more omega-3 fatty acids. Most people have fatty acids in their blood. People have a lot more omega-6 fatty acids in their bodies compared to omega-3 fatty acids in their blood. According to study, when the balance is right, there is a disparity between the two. One's chances of developing heart disease are increased. It was discovered in a study that 2 servings of a week of farmed salmon raises the levels. The amount of omega-3 fatty acids in the blood has increased. After 4 weeks, the percentage increased to 9%, whereas while simultaneously lowering the levels. Omega-3 fatty acids are a type of fatty acid that is found in fish. Number 8 is a fantastic protein source. Salmon is one of the greatest sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Protein that you can eat, protein that you can eat, protein that you can eat, protein that you can, is a vital nutrient for your body, as it has the ability to cure your ailments and, when you age, keep your muscle mass. It also protects the health of those who are elderly. Your skeleton. 1 serving of salmon, 100 grams, can provide. You can get up to 25 grams of protein by doing some research. Has proven that in order to keep your health, you'll need 20 to 30 grams of sugar. Your diet's protein. Number 9 is a potassium-rich food. Salmon is also high in omega-3 fatty acids. For every 100 grams of wild rice, there is a gram of potassium. You can receive up to 13 of your daily calories from salmon. Potassium is a mineral that you require on a regular basis for. You get the same quantity of farmed salmon. 8% of this vitamin comes from wild salmon. More potassium than a banana. Potassium is found in a medium-sized banana. It is vital for your body because it can assist you decrease your blood pressure levels, as well as lowering your chances of having a stroke. Potassium was found to be beneficial in a study. Persons who have high blood pressure. Number 10 could help with weight loss. When salmon is a part of your meal, because it is a diet, it can assist you in losing weight. It'll give you a good idea of how much protein is in salmon. Aid in the regulation of hormones that control, decrease appetite and keep you satisfied for a long time. When you eat for a longer amount of time, protein-rich foods can help you feel more energized. The pace of metabolism has been studied and it has been discovered that salmon and other fatty seafood can help you lose weight. Reduce abdominal fat in adults who are overweight. The number 11 is a sleep aid. Salmon provides one essential amino acid. This is called tryptophan, and you must obtain it as an important amino acid in your diet. It does not make tryptophan, which is a very important amino acid. It is crucial since it benefits your body. Cause melatonin and serotonin to be confused. Melatonin, for example, is a powerful sleep aid. It's a must-have for sleep management. Hormone in charge of the sleep-wake cycle. If there isn't a cycle in your body, you won't be able to sleep unless you take melatonin. Those who suffer from sleep disturbances may want to give it a try and consume melatonin-boosting foods such as, for a restful night's sleep, try salmon. On the other side, serotonin is a mood enhancer. When your body is deficient in hormones, you must regulate them. You deal with mental health with this hormone. Depression and other mental health issues. 12th place. If you have problems with your eyes, this is a fantastic option. You're not receiving enough vitamin A from your diet. You should absolutely think about a diet. Salmon is high in omega-3 fatty acids, so it's a great addition. Vitamin A is a powerful antioxidant that is also extremely helpful for you. It not only strengthens your immune system, but it also improves your mood. Vitamin A is important for eye health by keeping a vital role in vision. The outside of the cornea is transparent. This vitamin is for the protection of your eyes. Also a part of a significant protein in your eyes, which enables you to see inside. Vitamin A deficiency, vitamin A deficiency, vitamin A deficit. If left untreated, a deficit can lead to a terrible ailment that starts with. If your vitamin A levels are low, you may experience night blindness. Your tear ducts will continue to be clogged as a result of the shortage. Your cornea may gradually dry out, softens, causing irreversible damage, blindness. So, if you want to be healthy, eat more salmon. Eyesight. Number 13. Delicious and adaptable. When compared to other fish, salmon has a distinct flavor. Fatty seafood such as sardines or anchovies. It doesn't have the traditional mackerel flavor you'd associate with a fishy flavor. Seafood, as well as the flavor it can have. Prepared in a number of different ways. Steamed, smoked, and grilled options are available. The same benefits can be obtained from canned salmon. Fresh salmon not only has health benefits, but it also has a lot of them. Salmon in cans is not only inexpensive, but it also lasts a long time. Longer while maintaining the same level of performance. Nutritional profile similar to that of wild salmon. Salmon from a can be used instead of fresh salmon. When cooking a tuna salad, use tuna. One of the best and healthiest mayonnaises. Salmon is one of the healthiest foods you can eat. Salmon salad isn't something you'd make by steaming or grilling it. Not only is it exceedingly nutritious, but it's also very tasty. Tasty. Would like to learn more about foods that are good for you and your health? Salmon is good, but what about the other benefits? Let's continue the conversation about others. I'll continue with a couple more diet-related topics. Let's look at some videos, shall we? 15 health benefits you should know. You can learn about parsley you never knew about. Also, take a look at our video on 9 health issues. The advantages of consuming pumpkin seeds on a regular basis. Go ahead and click 1, or better yet, 2. Both are worth watching if you want to understand more about health. Do you consume salmon for health reasons? Do you intend to eat on a regular basis? Moreover, when you've watched this video, tell us what you think. Let us know in the comments section below.